What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna help you with a very annoying issue that WordPress presents from time to time. Can you see into the upper left corner of this screen, instead of the logo type there is the site title and this little square issue, okay? This should be the website logo. So why the logo isn't appearing? So if I go to customize, for example, in this case, I'm gonna apply the logo using this way, but according to the theme that you are using, the way to apply the logo may change. But the issue it's exactly the same, independent of the theme that you are using. Right here, we have uploaded a logo type. I can even try to change the image for this one, for example, but still there is this square error icon right here. Why and how to solve it, okay? Independent of the image, the logo isn't appearing. How to fix it? Okay, so let's learn how to do this into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and issue fixes. Let's close this tab. Now, how to fix this? This is a certificate issue, okay? This is a SSL certificate issue. Probably this image is uploaded using a previous version of your certificate. Probably your server may not have properly installed your SSL certificate, the one that makes the HTTPS of your site, okay? So how to fix this? You can do it alone in a very simple way and free, okay? Go to your WordPress dashboard, review this left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin, okay? Right here into the upper right corner of our screen, next to keyword, into search plugins, we're gonna type SSL, just like this. We're gonna be installing really simple SSL, simple and lightweight security. Click on install now. Now click to the activate button. This is all you have to do. Now, if you go back to the WordPress front end view, here is your logo showing instead of the square issue image. Why? Probably because your SSL certificate is not entirely installed. As soon as you activate the plugin itself fixes the issue and you are good to go. And of course, it can happen in other parts of your site. Probably if you see issues, you should see square image across your entire website, you can fix by doing this. Let me know into the comments if it helps you or if I can help you in any other way. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, that you can start with a ready website from the beginning, independently of the business niche that you work on. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, icons, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!